Hello, today we will guide you through how to set buy limit on Tradelocker. In this walkthrough, we'll place a buy limit order, which lets you buy an asset only if its price drops to a level you choose. This is useful if you believe price may pull back before moving higher, and you want to enter at a better value without constantly watching the screen. Start on the Tradelocker trading screen and navigate to the ZQSD market. You can follow the same process for any symbol you prefer. ZQSD is simply our example. Make sure you're viewing the instrument's chart or ticket area so you can access the order controls. Prices change constantly, so don't worry if what you see on your screen is different from ours. The process is exactly the same. Next, look to the right side of the symbol area and click the small up arrow next to the symbol. This expands the order ticket so you can adjust how the order will be placed. If the ticket is already open, you're all set. Within the ticket, switch the order type to pending. Pending orders tell the platform to wait and execute only when your chosen conditions are met. This is essential for a buy limit because you're specifying a future entry level rather than buying at the current market price. In the price field, enter the exact level where you want to be filled. For a buy limit, that price must be below the current market price. If you set it above the current price, the platform will prompt you to use a different order type. A helpful tip here: align your entry with a logical level on the chart, such as a recent support zone, and double-check the number of decimals so you don't accidentally place your order too far away. Now click Buy to indicate the direction of the trade. This doesn't execute a market order. Instead, you're choosing to buy when your condition is met. Finally, select Buy Limit. This confirms that your pending order should be a limit order at the price you entered. Once selected, the platform will register your pending buy limit. You should see it listed among your pending or open orders depending on your interface. Before you move on, take a moment to review the details: symbol, order type, and price. If your platform allows, consider your position size and risk controls such as stop loss and take profit so the order fits your plan. If the price is invalid or too close to the market, adjust it and try again. That's it. You've set a buy limit on Tradelocker, allowing the platform to enter for you only if price reaches your chosen level.